Nansara mahialeka. If you no work, you no go job. You no go job. You no go job. There is no food for the lazy man. There is no food for the lazy girl. Kinambatunya ikundi, kinambatu ikundi.
Hey, never see motontama. Yeta jimbere jinyagayala. Yay!
So there's a lot of neem tree around. This is neem tree. Peeling off. It looks like this. Gone are the days. This was what we were using to brush our teeth. The peeling off the skin, then it goes in around. You need to chew the tip, one of the tips. So when you wake up early in the morning, like 6, yeah, you go for a neem tree, then you chew. Okay, it's bitter, but it's medicine.
Kara.
Yeah, and you can eat kara with any sauce you want. Okay. Tomato stew, egg stew, but the best is some small stew. Then you cut onions, put on top. You see that. Yeah, sure. But today I have decided to garnish it up. So I bought my guinea fowl. Okay. I'll make the stew with the guinea fowl. Okay. Oh yes, I'm having it with guinea fowl. I confirm, which means luxury. Yes.
One of the expensive.
Yeah, it's very expensive because it's very sweet, and then it's also what you use to welcome your visitors. Okay. Yeah, if you really want your visitor to enjoy the meat, I confirm it's the best thing. Fowl. Yeah.
And,
yes. And if you are going to visit your in-laws here, I confirm you've killed them.
Wow.
When I say you've killed them, doesn't mean you've made it.
Yeah, but
you've killed them with happiness. Yeah, they know. Oh, the in-laws.
Accept you like that.
Yes.
Wow.
So if you're going to see your wife people or your wife to be, just get some two. I confirm one for
the father
and the mother. Yeah.
Wow.
They'll enjoy.
This is a secret tip.
Yes.
Wow, this is interesting.
Yes.
I'm really having a good time here. Like I'm enjoying it.
It's called kanwa.
Kanwa, okay.
Yeah.
There is no food for the lazy girl.
The beans flour?
Yeah, the beans flour. You can buy it.
Okay.
Yeah, or you make it yourself.
Okay. Meaning, if you have normal water, you can't use normal water to do. Or can
only normal water, it won't be nice.
It won't be nice.
You need kanwa, yeah.
And what's the name of the beans? Look, how is it called over here?
This one is called in Sicily.
Yeah.
Suono.
Beans. The beans is called suono.
Suono. Suompolon means white beans.
White beans, okay.
So every fancy man can cook? Is that
mostly? Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe 90%.
Hey!
Yeah.
You can use a spoon.
Okay.
To fetch and put it on top of the leaf.
Okay.
Or just use your hand.
Okay.
But mostly using the hand is much better.
Faster.
So you get some water, you dip it, get some, drop it like this.
Okay.
Cover it. Then
okay.
Yeah, and there's a way you put it in the pot.
Okay.
You have to put it from one line to another.
Okay.
You start making a
circle. Okay.
You have to make a circle. If you don't make the circle, you start dropping them on each other like that. You
squeeze everything.
Mm-hmm.
We are preparing kara. She came to visit me and I'm teaching her how to do kara.
Yeah, your village is very nice.
Yeah.
See, so area and what the hanya. You actually have a sister Alamoti and no.
Wow.
He said wow. That means yes. Yeah, you understand the language. I see.
Kara. Yeah, Jadi. Yeah, he carton toma. Masi.
Okay, yeah. So we are done with our tubani. Yeah, the car. That's the local name over here in the Upper West region. Oh.
Kinambatunya ikundi, kinambatu ikundi, kinambatunya ikundi yo, kinambatu ikundi, kinambatunya ikundi, kinambatu ikundi. Nansara mahialeka, if you no work, you no go chop, you no go chop. You no go chop. There is no food for the lazy man. There is no food for the lazy girl. Kinambatunya ikundi, kinambatu ikundi, kinambatunya ikundi, kinambatu ikundi.
Wow.
It says no food for the lazy man,
Wow.
but you have worked very hard. Coming all the way from UK to
eat.
yes. Yesterday you drove in the dark to get to Fonsi, so you deserve some good kara. Yes, to replace all the energy.
I appreciate it.
Yes, yes.
I appreciate
Please, some water. Mechanico. Yes. So, you're welcome to Fonsi, and I hope you've had, so far, it's okay, everything is, yeah, it's a bit hot here, but.
No, not that much.
Hey, we are very sensitive camera, isn't it?
So, as I was saying, you need to visit the other parts of Ghana and try one of these food for yourself. Like, you really love it. Good chicken, like chicken white. Okay. And I would like to thank Riala for honoring my invitation. When I reached out to her, she didn't say no to me. She said yes, so today I'm here with her, and she has prepared something delicious for me as well. So I'll say thank you, and I appreciate the time
Thank
spent.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Yes.
I appreciate it. Yeah. So as you know, click on the red button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and let's meet again.
Yeah.